What's up, crypto peeps? Today is Friday, April 19th. I'm super excited and ready for the weekend. I hope you are as well. As you know, I'm here to bring you the top 3 news events of the day. So let's go ahead and jump over to the chart so we can get started. I am going to see if I can get the right screen open for you, and I did. So check this out. The market's a little mixed this morning, but the good news is that Bitcoin continues to stay above the $5,000 range. Now, we barely crested 5,300 yesterday. Super excited, pulled back a little bit. But if you watched our support and resistance show, you'll know that myself, Bobby, and Fibbo Swanee, Brian Swan, all think the market's going to be heading higher. So that's the good thing that you should tune into. And if you look at the other assets beside Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, they all seem to be doing pretty well. Ripple and Bitcoin Cash struggling a little bit, but Litecoin popped up to the number 5th position, pushing EOS down. And if you take a look at something, if you look at the chart, positions 4, 5, and 6 are all battling for that position, and 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all battling for that position. One's about $4 billion market cap, the other's about a $2 billion market cap. So I don't anticipate much jockeying outside of that. I don't see a 6, 7, or 8. I mean, a 7, 8, or 9 moving up to the 4, 5, 6 position anytime soon. So let's get to the first article. It's actually not an article, it's a report. It's from Adamant Capital, and this is led by Tor Demeester. He's the founder, and in this report he talks about Bitcoin being in heavy accumulation. I think it's a really well done report. I'm still sort of chewing my way through it, but I would highly recommend you all do the same. 17 pages, shouldn't take us long. This will be my weekend reading most likely. Article number 2, Bloomberg, institutional crypto trading platform backed, may seek New York bit license. This is pretty big deal. The reason is that one of the reasons why backed haven't gotten approved yet from the CFTC is because they don't have a custody solution. And so in order for them to get custody, they're applying for a bit license to become custody. And once that happens, it is supposed that CFTC will in fact approve their license to launch their platform. So pretty exciting stuff there. Again, the first one, you'll need to go to a link on my brief. If you're not on my brief, the Crypto Watch brief, go over to thecryptocurator.com, subscribe for the daily and the weekend. But if you just send me a message or leave me a comment on this, I will get you that link. And as a matter of fact, tell you what, I'll do even better. I'm going to put the link to that report in the comments, and that way you'll have it. The second one is from Cointelegraph, and the last article for the day is from zycrypto.com, talking about cryptocurrency researcher predicts the next bull run will surpass that of 2017. That's right. And so this comes from Tom Shinagasi. He's from Delphi Digital. Those guys are absolutely amazing researchers, and they're the ones who put out a published report. It was late December, early January, that said the bottom would be in Q1 of 2019. It's looking like they were correct on their report, on their research. So I would not doubt that this report and this research is also done very well as well. So go over to zycrypto.com. You can read more about that there. And if you want to, you can follow Delphi Digital on Twitter. Those guys are amazing over there. You want to check them out. Here's something I want you listening to, the Crypto Asset Podcast. I had the opportunity to go on this podcast when they first launched. Very, very humbled to have that opportunity to do so. But these guys are hilarious when they report. They are a lot of fun to listen to, and they're going to be talking about the halving will boost Bitcoin and Litecoin prices. The halving for Litecoin is coming up. I believe it's going to be later this year in around Q4, and the halving for Bitcoin will be next year around June of 2020. All right, I'm going to pop back on the screen so I can say goodbye to you all. Hey, listen, thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. Please do us a favor, subscribe, ring the bell. Our support and resistance show will have a pretty big guest coming up. I can't spill the beans just yet, but you need to know that next Thursday you're going to want to tune in to support and resistance because it's going to get fun. Hey, you guys have a happy, exciting Friday.